cause I keep them close to my chest. It don't faze me when they all think I'm so innocent. Yeah, I'm looking sweet, but I'm all dynamite. Don't believe me when I say that I bite. Go ahead and try, boy, try your best, as everybody knows I'm dangerous. Yeah, I'm visiting some trouble in disguise, but you know that the choice is yours. Oh, you might regret if you take that step. Just like rose covered in thorns, my heart ain't yours, even in this ugly world I've been. If I no more covered in dirt, can I no more with my beautiful thorns? Yeah. People always come and go, so much time has already passed. Did she bloom? No, she probably died. These baddest thorns were stabbing into me. If you wanna get closer, you can't resist, then baby move and get closer, can't handle it. Go ahead and try, boy, try your best, since it's everybody, I'm dangerous. And so now that you've been warned, you know that the choice is yours. So you might regret if you take that step. Just like rose covered in thorns, my heart ain't yours, even in this ugly world I've been. If I no more covered in dirt, can I no more with my beautiful thorns? They have no idea who I am. They choke on my thorns and can't get back up, hating the fact that I'm still alive today. Must be something, but I can't see it. I fall asleep again into this reality when my sweat and tears are running dry. They still doubt I can stand back up. I'm not there yet, but still there's left in these shaking legs. I can't give up. Somewhere in me still wants to be thankful for this world. Just like girls covered in thorns, my heart ain't yours, even in this ugly world I've been. If I no more covered in dirt, I can't hide no more. If no one's there, then I'll fly high. A few scars now, yeah, I'm alright. I'm on my way now, don't worry about me. I'm up now like bloom, 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 bloom. Just